Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about rebate which is available under section 87A. What is this rebate? When it will be given means, let's see one chart. So this is a pro forma how we compute the total income. We will have 5 heads of income: income from salary, income from house property, PGBP, income from capital gains, income from other sources. If we add all the incomes together, it will be called as gross total income. I wrote it as GTI, gross total income. From gross total income, we will have deductions which is available under chapter 6A. After deducting the deduction, the amount what we will get will be called as total income or taxable income. On this total income, a person is liable to pay tax liability. That means on this total income, a person have to compute the tax liability. So after computing according to the slab rates, have to compute what is the tax liability, have to compute what are the slab rates. I have already did one video. I will give that link in the description. And after computing whatever the tax liability a person is to get, this is the tax liability a person have to pay to the government. For this, they are giving a rebate. That means a discount in tax. We can say it is a discount in tax. This is the tax liability we have to pay. From that amount, a part of the amount is total of the amount is allowed as reduction. That is called as a rebate. So after deducting this rebate, whatever the amount is left over, for that amount we have to add 4% cess. 4% cess we have to add, and after adding the total amount what we are getting, this is the total amount a person have to pay to the concerned government. This is the total tax liability a person have to pay to the government. So what is this rebate? Means this rebate is eligible only for the few persons according to the condition. Then what are the conditions? So let's see. So see the first one, it is limited to 12,500 or the tax liability whichever is less will be allowed as reduction. What is the amount for this assessment year? Means 12,500. Before the tax limit, the rebate amount is 2,500, but the conditions are different. But here the limit is 12,500 or the tax liability whichever is less will be allowed as reduction for the assessment year 2020-2021. And see what are the condition means. He must be a resident and the person must be a individual. As we know, the person definition according to the income tax which is described under section 2 subsection 31, person includes individual, HU of company, partnership, LLP, everyone is included under the name person only. Everyone is liable to pay tax to the government. But here this rebate is eligible only for the individual, and that too the person should be individual should be resident. Then what is the second condition? Means the total income should be less than 5 lakhs. The person income, total income is less than 5 lakhs, and that person should be an individual, and that individual should be a resident. If these three conditions are satisfied, then the person is eligible for a rebate under section 87A. Then what is the limit? Means 12,500 or the tax liability whichever is less. What is this tax liability? Why it is given? Means let's take a person's total tax liability is coming somewhere around 10,000, and the person total income is less than 5 lakhs, and the person is a resident individual. So if the person is satisfying all the conditions and his total tax liability is getting somewhere around 10,000, then what is the rebate the person is eligible? Means 10,000 or 12,000 whichever is less, means 10,000 is allowed as reduction. Why? Means see, let's take the tax liability of a person is 10,000. And after getting 10,000, we have to deduct the rebate. After computing the tax liability, we have to give the rebate. After giving rebate only, we have to add the cess. Remember these process carefully. Don't add the cess before and don't deduct after adding cess. First, when you get the total tax liability, after that a person is eligible for rebate. What is the rebate amount? As I said, the person is qualifying all these conditions. His total income is less than 5 lakhs and the person is an individual resident. Then what is the rebate? Means 12,500 or 10,000, whichever is less. That means 10,000 is allowed as deduction. That means this person need not pay any tax to the government. Or else, if the rule says that limit is 12,500, that means we have to deduct 12,500. That means we will get in a negative amount. Negative amount means in return government have to pay this person in a return manner. That means government have to pay 2,500. Government will never pay any amount to any person. So that's why the rule says the tax liability or the 12,500, whichever is less, is allowed as deduction. So 10,000 will be given, the tax liability will be nil. Here we need not add any 4% cents. Why? Because it is 0, nil. So this is how we have to compute the tax liability of a person. And what is so this is a rebate which is available for an individual who is a resident and who is having the total income less than 5 lakhs. If you like my way of explanation, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.